Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Drax Hall and we're giving you a drone tour of the number one plaza in Drax Hall. It's called Drax Hall Plaza. Now this is the first commercial plaza that was built in Drax Hall. And it has everything you need for a successful plaza in Jamaica. Even though it's a small plaza compared to others in Jamaica, it is the most successful plaza in Drax Hall. And Drax Hall is the fastest growing community or fastest growing area in Jamaica. Now if you look at the top of the screen, those are homes. So Drax Hall has thousands of homes. It just exploded overnight with these residential developments. And before construction was even over, the homes were sold out. A lot of people in the diaspora bought these homes, and then that just set off a housing boom in Drax Hall. But what Drax Hall was missing is commercial developments, restaurants, fast food chains, supermarkets, gas stations, those kind. Well, they had gas stations, but Drax Hall was always a suburb of St. Anne's Bay, which is the capital. So they relied on Drax Hall to be like a housing development, to have a lot of housing developments, and then you would go to St. Anne's Bay or Ocherios as a town. But Drax Hall grew so fast that these commercial developments started, and before you knew it, you have over 20 to 30 commercial developments going up in Drax Hall, and a lot of companies like Courts closed their store in St. Anne's Bay and moved to Drax Hall. They moved to a location in Drax Hall. KFC has two locations in Ocherios, one in St. Anne's Bay, and they still set up one here in Drax Hall. So you have a lot of commercial developments in Drax Hall now, and a lot more on the way. Booth Plaza just announced they were building Booth 2, a $2.5 billion commercial complex. It's going to have a large supermarket, a cinema, a lot of developments coming. So this plaza now has everything you need for a successful plaza in Jamaica. You need three things. One, you need fast food restaurants. And there you have KFC, Pizza Hut, Starbucks, Sakura. So fast food restaurants are covered. KFC is the number one fast food chain in Jamaica. The second thing you need to do is build a plaza in a populated area. And Drax Hall is so populated that I'm actually astonished that Drax Hall is not a town yet. Could even be a city one day. But look at the top of the screen. Those are all housing developments. So it's built in a very populated area. And the third thing you need is a large brand name supermarket. And this plaza has CPJ, which is probably the largest, well, one of the largest supermarkets in Drax Hall now. The larger chains like Hilo, Shoppers Fair, Progressive, they are not in Drax Hall yet. But it's just a matter of time. As more commercial complexes open, you're going to see these supermarket chains out here. So this is the number one plaza in Drax Hall. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And just to point out, it's located on the Northern Coastal Highway, which is the main road that takes you from Montego Bay to Ocherios. And that road is so busy now that the Drax Hall area is going to be expanded to 4 lanes, and the toll highway is also going to run through Drax Hall now, on the outskirts, not through the actual town, but they'll have an exit. So you're going to have 8 highway lanes, 4 in one highway, 4 in the other, passing by Drax Hall. That's how busy this place is. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.